Today I am reviewing the Skinnytaste Ultimate Meal Planner. If you love the Skinnytaste cookbooks, you'll love this meal planner as well. It'll help you stay organized. I was able to put a post-it with some ideas that we already like as a family. And then if you need more ideas, there is a 12-week meal plan. And so you've got breakfast, lunch, and dinner for 12 weeks with some meal ideas. And there are also recipes, so it tells you what page number you can find that recipe, because there's breakfast, lunch, and dinner recipes as well. And then the meal planning pages are the best part of the book, really. You can stay organized for your week by writing out your meal plan for the week. This is also nice to have goals, affirmations, and intentions. And then there's these pages right here. This tears out. I've torn one out so that I can show you what it looks like. So while you're making your meal plan, you've got this grocery shopping list where you can do, it's broken down by dairy, pantry, other, fruits, vegetables, and protein. So you can do that while you make your meal plan, and it will make your week go so much better.